5 essential oil you would love to have in your first aid kit, either at home or when you travel. And of course, the first oil going to be lavender oil, as it has the widest and broadest spectrum of use. It's antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and it helps you to promote good relaxation and good sleep, and helps you to restore your energy after the heavy day. Lavender oil, known as a good wound healer, so it works best with burns and any type of cuts. Help you to release pain and itchiness from insect bites. Lemon oil, it's antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant. So it will help you also to normalize your blood pressure and to normalize your digestive system, and help you to focus and remember things. Eucalyptus oil, considered oil of a good health. It is antispasmodic, antiseptic, antiviral, diuretic, expectorant, reduce the fever. It's working with any type of wounds and healing them perfectly well. Any type of cuts and burns and the frost bites. And also it has a beautiful psychological effect when you work with this oil. It promotes very good mood, and it's oil of actions. Peppermint oil, antiseptic, antiviral, analgesic, antibacterial. It helps you to relieve the first symptoms of cold and flu, help you with dizziness and the motion sickness, refreshen your breath. If you're going for a meeting, take it with you, as well as apply on your wrists. Rub it a little bit, and it will help you to stay focused, fresh, and sharp during a meeting. Restores your energy, helps you as well to manage emotions like fear, anxiety, and tension. Acts as a protector oil. If you feel that you have any penetration of negative energy in your aura, just apply 1 drop on your palms, rub it, and go just around your body, so it will help you to protect yourself. And as well, it helps you to calm yourself from nervousness, as well as from overexcitement. Tea tree oil, antiviral, antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal. Very good. Take it with you, especially when you travel. Stimulate your immunity system, heals the wounds, cuts, and burns, anything. Antiparasitic. It's help you to relieve tension, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Now you know that those 5 oils will be very helpful for you in many different situations in life.